Inside a Cow by Catherine Friend. A big mama cow eats a lot of grass each day. First she pulls up a clump of grass with her tongue. Then she chews it. Crunch, crunch, crunch. A cow has flat teeth in the back of its mouth. They're perfect for mashing up tough grass. Next, the cow swallows the clump of mashed grass. The grass goes down, down, down. A cow's stomach has 4 parts. The grass goes into part 1 first. Then she makes a big burp and the slimy grass gurgles. Up, up, up. Some grass goes into part 2 and forms into soft chunks. Then the cow brings up the chunks back into its mouth. Now the slimy grass is called cud, and she chews and chews the cud. Squish, squish, squish. A cow chews its cud for many hours each day. Then she swallows the wet green cud again. It goes down, down, down again. The cud moves up and down a long tube that goes from the mouth to the stomach. Next, the gooey cud goes into the 3rd part, and then the 4th part. Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. Part 3 filters out the big pieces of grass. Then very small pieces go into part 4 to be broken down for energy. The goo keeps going and going and going. The cow uses some of the energy it gets from eating grass to make milk. Then it comes out the other end. Plop. Poop. Anything that a cow can't use for energy comes out as poop. How cows eat. Some other animals have a stomach with 4 parts too. All of these animals eat grass and other tough plants. When an animal eats tough food, it has to chew it many times. The food moves down and up and down a few times. Sheep and goats also have this kind of stomach and chew their cud over and over.